Laundry shop ka ba? O itong video na to, para sa iyo to. Laundry shop, nangangalingasaw ang amoy. Gusto mo bang ma-achieve yung super bangong laundry kahit i-heater mo pa? Imagine this. Wala nang magrereklamo na hindi na mabango ang pinalabhan ng damit sa'yo. Hindi ka nagagastos ng expensive na sabon at fabcon. Dito na papasok ang Harmony Wash. Hi, my name is Dal. I'm the business manager of Harmony Wash. Ang Harmony Wash products po ay kayang makipagsabayan sa quality ng mga expensive at well-known brands, pero magaan sa bulsa. We developed and perfected our formula through repeated testing before putting it on the market para sigurado na 100% consistent ang quality from sampler to the succeeding orders. So currently, we have the Mystic, Comfort, and Passion, and we have Passion as our fabric conditioner. But sooner or later, magkakaroon na rin po ng counterpart, ang Mystic at ang Comfort as fabric conditioner. And our most requested variant, magkakaroon na rin po, which is ang anti-bac. Magkakaroon na rin siya ng laundry at fabric conditioner. So, alam ko marami ka nang na-try na ibang products. Pero iba ang Harmony Wash dahil tested na affordable ito. It's super high quality pa. Send us a message kung gusto mo ng life-changing experience na nangangalingasaw sa bango ang laundry mo. So, i-harmony wash mo na yan.